Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today I'm going to explain you how we make our custom power walls. With the custom power walls, you have a 51.2 volts 100 ampere hour rating. And how do we make that rating? Now come on, come here. As you can see, these are the prismatic cells. These are basically 16 cells, each cell having 3.2 volts, and we connect them in series one by one, the positive and the negative, positive and negative. And with these cells you can make 16 cells in series, and then you can make 51.2 volts for your applications. We also do custom current ratings depending upon your requirement. For example, 100 ampere hour solution, we provide 50 ampere hour solution, we provide 200 ampere hour solutions, and all of that we can do it with the OEM services and ODM services, and we can do private label and white label as well. The product, as far as the product you need, we have all the certifications for our productions. As you can see, currently there is an order under production for a power wall that is for 51.2 volts 100 ampere hour rating. If you want your custom order, contact us now.